So we have front struts and sway bar links on this vehicle. It's a 5 19mm lug nuts. Alright, so I have to get the tire off. I'm going to start off by taking off this top brackets for the speed sensor, this bottom brackets for the brake that locks it onto here. So, if you're lucky, yeah, this one's probably just going to break off too. Oh, maybe not. Perfect. Yeah, okay. So that's that. Swing that up and out of the way. Next, and yes, you're going to want to use some PB Blaster or WD-40, whatever's your preferred concoction. It's as rusted out as this vehicle. You're going to have a fun all time. These are 21mm. Lock something on there. 21 and 21. There's that. One more down here. See if we can spin these bolts out. Okay. I'm only going to take out the one because I really don't need them out yet. So if you're going to keep them, you could do your best to work out. It's a 15mm nut with some form of Torx bit in the center. I'm not going to worry about that. I'll try it, but I have not been successful. So I'm going to leave this one on here. I'm going to try to work that one off. If that one doesn't come off, I'm going to cut it off because I'm going to be replacing both of these so I can just take it all out at once. Alright, so it's a T27 Torx center bolt with a 15mm. Now, honestly, I didn't have to use the Torx. That'll never happen again, ever, ever, ever. So I'm just going to put the nut back on the back and hit it with something. You don't want to just hit it straight on because you'll end up warping something, damaging those bolts. And there we go. Kind of give it a nice wiggle back and forth. There she is. Alright. Since everything's rusted out, this thing's just going to drop because it's lower control arm. There we go. Anyways, as I was saying, this lower control arm's garbage, so it's just everything just falls. But I might have to cut that out anyways. So up top is easy, just 3 15 millimeters. And it falls. So there it is. You always want to leave one of these on and get it ready, but I didn't need to. There's nothing below it. There's the old one. There's the shiny new one. Comes with all new bolts up top. Now there's no real special way to put this in. It sucks no matter what. Just get your bolts ready. You're just gonna set this up here. You're just gonna go up top and line up the holes. Like I said, with one hand, line it up. The other hand, just get it started. Now you're not going to tighten those up yet. You're going to want this moving. As you can see, this lower control arm is shot. I can lift it up like this and do it all by hand, which you should not be able to do. So, get that one started. There, get that one done. That one in there. Now see how far off it is? So we're not going to be able to, not with this new stuff on there. But best thing is to take a jack, put it underneath the lower control arm and lift it. Because now with this new strut coil, it is extremely powerful. Okay, I got the jack in place. There you go. Work smarter, not harder. Okay, I know, most of you are not going to have another jack. I get that, but you should have jack stands. You put everything up on jack stands while you... Sorry about that. The old one is 15, the new ones are 14. So if you use these Detroit axle parts, not a sponsor, comes in a kit, really great price. 2-day shipping to most places. Pretty awesome. I'll get this top and bottom one done and get back to you. Put that in there. Alright, so that's it for the top. And then all you have to do left is just tighten up these two 21mm nuts, and there's your brand new Struts and SwayBar links. forgot how many hundreds upon hundreds of dollars this video will save you. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and if you can, give me that super thanks, help the channel grow. But if not, see you next time.